right now we're walking because they don't open till 5 something. But look what we found. We found a bird store right now, and they are so cute. I asked my mom, can we bring one? But we can't bring one back. But they're like so cute. Look at this one. Look it, he's so cute.
Right here.
Is he dead? Oh wait, what's wrong with that one?
Huh?
What's wrong with that one?
That one right there?
No, the wall one.
Oh, this one? He's like sleeping.
He's
sleeping.
Oh, he's fat. He is so fat. He is fat, Mama.
Oh,
he ate too much.
Jamaican bird.
He ate too much, Mom. He's so fat. What have you been eating? What have you been eating? What have you been eating?
Yes.
You've been eating too much chicken.
You eat too much. You eat too much.
Yeah. Too much Doritos.
This must be like a
bird store or something like
yeah.
that. Oh, what is that? That right there?
Where?
Their food? Is that
That's their food.
It looks like garbage.
You still recording?
Yeah, it looks like,
off.
guys, it looks like garbage.
No, that's their poop. Their poop. And then their food right there in their water.
It looks like pee, Mama. Mama, come here. Come here, look. That looks like pee. Look it. It's yellow.
Change the water.
It's yellow.
They need to change the water.
The water is yellow, guys. That is disgusting.
Come on, you want to walk down here?
No. I want to go in the car. No, because my freaking
Let's
feet.
just walk right there and see what's down there. I want to see what's down here.
Okay. Guys, we're going to come back to you whenever we come back. Bye.